Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to set TikTok sound as alarm. So if you want to set TikTok sound as alarm, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application and you have to select any sound you want as your alarm. So let's suppose I like this sound. I simply click on the share button, then simply copy link. Now go back and open your browser. Right here you have to search for the TikTok video to mp3. Once you will do it, you will see a link on the second ssstick.io. So you have to click on it. Once you will do it, after that you have to paste a link you have copied from the TikTok. And once you will do it, now click on the download. Once you will click on the download, it will take a few seconds. After that, here you will see download mp3. So simply click on it and download it from here. As you can see, music has been downloaded. Now go back and open your search for your clock or alarm. And once you will do it, after that you have to click on this alarm, and here you will see a default traditional alarm. So you have to click on it. And once you will do it, after that you have to click on the add new, and from here you have to select the file you have downloaded. As you can see, it's here. And once you will do it, music is here. And now this video is set as your alarm. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.